Hey, it's Krista with the Traveling Addict. Hope you're doing well today. So I'm here today to talk to you about Randonautica. That is an app that I found on my phone, and it is a game. To me, it's a cross between geocaching and Pokemon. You get outside, you go to a location. Randonautica basically is a quantum physics coordinates. You ask it for a location and it gives you a total random location that is kind of close to you so that you can go check it out. When I first put it on Facebook that I was doing Randonautica, I got all this crazy, oh, it's demonic, it's satanic, they're going to kidnap you, it's human trafficking. I've done my research on it. I've watched the videos. I've seen one video that may be real where they found a body and they called the police. The hundreds of other videos that get billions of views is just for the views. It's fake. They stage it, whatever, to get the views. Now, I would love to get all those views, but I am not stooping as low to fake something or stage it to make it exciting. I'm going to play the game as it is. Here's my interpretation of the app. It's my opinion only. You're welcome to disagree. When I was looking for my van, I had not seen that van around very much. And when I was searching for one, all of a sudden I saw it on the road everywhere I went. Oh, there's my van, there's the van, there's the van. So I think it's about the same concept, same psychiatry. You're supposed to have an intent of what you're looking for. If you're looking for happiness, a wife, a husband, a red flower, an orange flower, I mean, whatever it is. If you're looking for a crime scene or something paranormal, that's what you're thinking about. And that's what you're supposed to be thinking about when you click the button to ask where to go. So it gives you a location. And just like when I had the van, of course I'm going to see it. So I go to the site and I look for something. For me, it was adventure. So I'm looking for adventure. Do I find something that... I find a piece of trash on the ground. Ooh, that's adventure. So, you know what I mean? I mean, that's what I feel like the game is, which still is fun because I like to see things that I haven't seen before. That's just who I am. So if you're like that and you like the adventure, you like to see things, why not play the game? It sounds like a lot of fun. All week we've had a gas shortage, so I decided to stay home and not drive to trails this week. So I found Randonautica and I've been just walking to the locations that it gives me. I still get outside to exercise, I'm still finding some adventure, and I am learning more about what is around my area. So anyway, I'm going to show you some video of the real life things that I have found at Randonautica. Not to say they're not interesting, but they're not going to get millions of views because I don't have somebody chasing me out of the woods with a knife and blood dripping all down them or whatever. Enjoy the video. And if you like my honesty, if you like me not faking it, give me a thumbs up, please, and help me grow. Check in that window up there. The chair, little chairs. All right, it's taking me down this road. I can't say I've ever been down, I don't think. So I am going down a new road. A lot of concrete blocks in the woods. Oh, it smells good here. Billy's Cinnamon Rose. Maybe that's why it sent me here. So it's taking me to Pittsboro Parks, Robeson Creek Greenway, which I've been here before. Not much of an adventure for that because I've already been here, but you never know. All right, now let me find out where the exact spot is. There is a geocache here and I've never recorded it, so let's go see if that's where my spot turns out to be. Well, here it is, the spot right here. It's just a place to sit. And I do want to show you, it is a rock growing between these two trees. You can see it's up there, it's not at the bottom. Okay, I'll take that for the adventure of the day. These smell so amazing. Somebody's bicycle down there. Oh, flowers, pretty. What are these? Soda cans. It's funny. Nobody's opened them. It's funny how that works. Do you see that building back there? A friend of mine named Ron, he was a homeless guy, he lived here. He used to live in that garden shed right there for years. And they just rebuilt this garden shed to make it for him a little more insulated, a little more comfortable. Somebody hit him with a car while he was walking, and he's passed away. "444 miles to ground zero."